Alright, so we're here at the Holiday Inn Express, right outside the Reading Airport here in Reading, Pennsylvania. Come out here, you see one of the stairwells. You can get a view out this window as well. Look down there, that road there is Pennsylvania Route 183, Burtonville Road. Not sure what that building is behind those trees. It's hard to see with the sun glare. I'm not sure what that building is over there as well. Right there is the Holiday Inn Express sign. Alright, I guess we'll take a look around the guest floor a little bit and then take a ride on the elevator. There's a soda machine, a Coke machine, which sadly is out of order. Got an ice machine here as well. Fire extinguisher. We're going to go to that window over there and get a view out there, then take a ride on the elevator. I know Aidan, also known as Elevator of Steel City, has been here before and rode this elevator. Speaking of the elevator, here it is. We're going to take a look at that in just a few minutes. But first, let's get a view out that window, then take a ride on the elevator. Come out here, you can get a perfect view of the Reading Regional Airport. There's the air control tower right there. There's the main terminal building. Don't see any planes at the moment, but speaking of a plane, there's a plane right over there. Once I get my camera focused. Yep, there's a couple planes over there. There's the parking lot, and there is an AC unit by Amana. And our friend Mr. Security Camera. You look out here, there's the other set of stairs, and the window of another window at the airport. Fire alarm pull station by Cerberus Pyrotronics. It's a storage cabinet or a storage closet, and our fire extinguisher. Alright, now we're going to take a ride on the elevator. You can come over here. Looking here first, that's the laundry area. And you got a, looks like a washer door left open. Sanitizer dispenser and a trash can. Got a phone right there. And we have the elevator. It's an Otis elevator with Series 1 from 2001. Let's go down to 1, and we'll get a cab view. It's kind of a basic Otis elevator for a low-end hotel. It's kind of nice though. These are your Series 1 buttons. Your phone. Here's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2001. Going up, sir?
Yep.
Where are you heading?
Third.
Third, alright.
Yep.
Don't worry, I'm just taking a picture of the elevator. I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Oh. Don't bother me.
Alright, sir, you have a good night.
You as well.
Thank you. Just for the heck, we'll take another ride back down to 1. And here are 1. Look out there, that's the lobby and the breakfast area. I guess we'll end up with 3. Listen to the motor one more time. Okay, you're on 3. Oh, look at it.
Sorry.
Oh, good. Alright, we're not gonna get that guy in the camera. We'll watch the elevator close. And there goes the elevator, and that will be it.